Hello guys, welcome back to Alzato Overseas Education, and my name is Abhar Deshpande. I am working here as a senior counselor, and today I am with one of our students, Mr. Prashant Tiwari.
Hello, sir.
And Prashant recently got a successful study visa for Canada, and his whole application process for the university or the college or the institution and the visa was done by our team. So first of all, Prashant, please let me know how you're feeling right now. Like you finally got the Canada visa,
Yes.
and so what how's it feel?
It feels so good. I don't even have words to express my feelings. It's like a dream come true to finally going to Canada in 2022.
Wow, wow, wow.
Yes.
Prashant, I just want to know one thing. Like you and Alzato were associated from a very long time.
Yes,
like
sir.
due to this lockdown thing and all. So how was your overall experience? Because you have a very long mutual association with Alzato Overseas. So what is your overall experience?
Sir, I came here before Corona, and then COVID-19 happened, and because of that everything was shut down. So the only thing we were in contact was through calls. Okay, and even at that time you helped me a lot from filing for my IELTS exam and for everything. Even my visa application was filed in the Corona period. And whenever I had a query, I just used to call you or Arpit sir or Siddharth sir, and there was everyone to revert me
Yes.
back and clear my queries. So my experience was fabulous here.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
So when it comes to the team, the Zato team, I think he was connected to most of the members of the
Yes,
Zato
sir.
team when it comes to our multi-country department.
Yes, sir.
So I think what kind of can you just give me some sort of precise information, like if a student get associated with Alzato for a long duration, so what will be the exact thing he gonna feel, or what kind of the things he will take home from Alzato Overseas?
Going to abroad for studying or for everything is a very big task, and you have always have a query in your mind, like what will be the next step, what will I do, what if this happen, what if that happens. So
Yes.
there were so many queries in my mind also. Okay, and whenever I had a query, I used to call here sir, now I'm not feeling good, and this is coming to my mind, so what should I do? And every query was solved here. Okay, I was given answers, satisfactory answers, so that I could take a decision, a final decisions to work. So it was very great experience. Everything was perfect.
Okay.
Yes.
Prashant, as we all know, you have scored 7 bands in IELTS, and which is one of thing which I call exceptionally good score. So I think when you started preparing for IELTS, at that time there was a lockdown in whole
Yes.
country, not just in the country, it was a global lockdown
Global.
kind of thing. So you prepared via Alzato Online Academy. So what was your experience with our Alzato Online Academy? If you please share that.
Most people have a delusion in their mind that online classes are not that effective. Okay, and in the Corona period there was no offline classes, so the only option was to take online academy classes of Alzato. And the portal was so good, the online tutor was good. She used to teach everything perfectly, and the clearing doubts in every subject was good. Okay, and the testimonials, the mock test and sectional test, they were also so good. I had a lot to practice on. Okay, I practiced a lot. Okay, and scored 7 band in my first attempt only.
Great, great.
Yes.
It's a big achievement scoring 7 band in the first attempt, because usually students not tend to score 7 bands in their first attempt. So that's a great thing, and congratulations for that
Thank you,
also. So Prashant, finally you got an offer from Cambrian College, and the program you enrolled in, that is
Graduate certificate in project management.
okay, graduate certificate in project management, Cambrian College, Ontario. Okay, am I right?
Yes,
These
sir.
are the details. Okay. So Prashant, what are your future plans now? You got the offer letter, you got the visa also.
Yeah.
So you have crossed up all the hurdles. So now what are your future plans? What are you planning when it comes to Canada?
My intake will be in 2022 March, so I'll be going in either the last week of Feb or the first week of March. So
Okay.
of course you're also gonna help me to book my tickets, okay, and then reach there. And then I have a decision, or made up a decision, that after completing my first course, I'll be filing for second graduation exam course, okay, and then I'll be mailing you or calling you from Canada that I have to file for another college and you are gonna help me, so I'm stick with you for a long term.
Okay, great. So basically, guys, Prashant is planning to, just go for one more graduate certificate program after the completion of this one thing. Because if you have 2 years of, education in Canada, so you get 3 years of post-study work, right? So that's why this planning is suggested by us to Prashant, and which is the recommended planning if you are also planning for Canada education. And finally, Prashant, one thing just I want to know, what will be your review, and will you gonna recommend Elzato overseas? What is your point on that?
Yes, of course, I recommend everyone to be a part of Elzato if they're deciding to go abroad for their studies, because from clearing your IELTS to getting a successful visa, you all will be here to help the person in everything, okay, and in every doubt, okay. And if the person is having some mind conceptions, you are gonna clear it, okay. Not just the educational part, you will be giving him the physical supports also, the mental supports.
Yes.
So I recommend everyone to be a part of Elzato for their successful study abroad decisions.
Okay, Prashant, one more question. If I ask you to rate Elzato overseas education on a scale of 1 to 10, and where 10 is, on a positive side, okay, so what will be your rating?
Sir, of course, I will go with the positive side. I will give a score of 10 out of 10 for Elzato, okay. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. So, this was Prashant Tiwari, who got a successful Canada study visa and also an admission in Cambrian College, Ontario, in the program of graduate certificate in project management. We wish him all the best for her future endeavors, and thank you guys for staying with us for such kind of updates. Stay tuned with Elzato Overseas. Thank you.